Hello everyone, in this video, I'll explain you how you can find your user ID on your Lloyd Bank. So first, simply go to the Lloyds Bank website and go to the Log On page. Once you're here, click on Forgotten your Log On details, and then choose Find out your user ID. After that, click Continue. You'll be asked to provide your account type, account number, sort code, first name, last name, and date of birth. You can find most of this info on your bank statement or debit card. Once entered, click Continue and follow the steps to verify your identity. That will help you retrieve your user ID. If that method doesn't work, click Contact Us at the bottom right corner. You can either call or message them for assistance in recovering your user ID. And that's it. If this video helped, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.